Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you and teach you on how to transfer fund from a Trust Wallet app going to Binance Exchange account. If you do not have a Binance Exchange account, you can sign up or register to my link that you can find on the description of this video. Okay, so let's proceed to the tutorial. If you want to transfer the token from your Trust Wallet, just go to your Binance account. Okay, I am already in my Binance account. Click Spot Wallet, this one, and search for the token that you want to receive. I want to receive the DEXI token from my Trust Wallet, this one. Click DEXI token, and then click Deposit. As you can see, we have two networks here, ERC20 and BIP20. Therefore, you must check the token that you are going to transfer if it is in BIP20 BSC or it is in ERC20. Okay, let's go back to my Trust Wallet. Okay, I'm now in my Trust Wallet account. I will check the DEXI token if it is in ERC20 or BIP20. Scroll up. Okay, this is my DEXI token. It's under BIP20. And let's go back to my Binance account to get the BIP20 address. Make sure that the token that you are going to send has BIP20 BSC or ERC20 network. So click BIP20 BSC. Then click copy address. Then go back to Trust Wallet. Click send. Paste the address. Then click max. Click continue. So there is a network fee, 0.20 cents. That's why it is very important, guys, that you have BNB Smart Chain Balance, because only BNB Smart Chain Balance can be used for any transaction inside your Trust Wallet. Without BNB Smart Chain Balance, you cannot transact like swap, stake, or send token to other wallet. Okay, so I have BNB Smart Chain Balance, so I can send token to my Binance Exchange account. Click send. Okay, then we will wait for the pending transaction.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's already sent. Let's go back to my Binance Exchange account. Okay, click this arrow to go back to the Spot Wallet. Click this button to check if there's incoming token. This one, DEXI token. Waiting for the confirmation.
A few moments later.
Okay, the confirmation is already completed. DEXI token 10.7886356 token already deposited to my Spot Wallet balance. Let's check. Click this arrow. Okay, the DEXI token is already arrived in my Binance Exchange account. 10.7888635.6 worth $204. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. Thank you and have a good day.